is another episode of Why the Heck Are You Not into Social Media? Kasi girl, I just received $650 for 2 videos lang. Since I have Instagram that I barely show up, but whenever I show up, the content goes well. Pwede nyo akong i-stalk. This is my Instagram. Ayan yung username. Stalk nyo ako dyan and tingnan nyo yung mga content ko dyan. Girl, hindi ako makapaniwala that other brands or other businesses are really willing to hire you and pay you that much money for just a content. I really can't believe that I am on that position that I can tell my rates without asking people how much I should charge. I started from scratch without experience, like literally walang-wala. Kaya ikaw kung walang-wala ka talagang experience, mag-show up ka lang. You don't have to be ready to show up. You just have to show up to be ready. Kasi wala naman talagang ready eh. Ako, hindi din ako ready when I show up. If I'm doing right or doing wrong, wala akong pake. Who's gonna judge me, other people, wala akong pake sa kanila, hindi naman nila ako pinapakain eh. Just show up. That's why the heck you are not in the social media pa?